Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to use conversion on iPhone 16 or 16 Pro devices built in the iOS calculator app. To do that, you just should open the calculator, and then here, for example, you can count something. For example, I don't know. For example, you live in Canada, okay, and you, for example, count in $1,500 Canadian dollars, okay. So minus I don't know any other amount of money, and you got for example 1,015, right? And now you want to know how much it is in euros, for example. So you just click on this calculator button and then choose convert, and here choose Canadian dollar, and here, for example, you have euros, or for example you wanna convert in Indian rupee, for example, right? And right now you have the new and actual course of Canadian dollars and Indian rupees, for example. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.